Many people delay getting a hearing test because they don't know what to expect. In reality, hearing tests are designed to measure how well you hear different sounds and speech, helping an audiologist understand your hearing levels. They can also help identify whether symptoms may be related to hearing loss, earwax, or another ear health issue. Hearing changes can happen gradually, making them easy to overlook. Regular hearing checks may help you better understand your hearing health, especially if you struggle to follow conversations or often increase the TV volume. Hearing First Enfield provides professional hearing tests, hearing aid services, earwax removal, and foreign body removal. This information is educational only and should not replace professional assessment. Always consult a qualified audiologist for personalised advice.